To say there are gar everywhere right now is a complete understatement. I mean, look at that. It's right there. There's a gar swimming away with my bait right now. Three, two, one. Oh, got him. Oh, popped off. Another one over there. You can see it on the other side. It's chewing on my bait right now. We've had a really tough time. I've been here about an hour and a half. But this gar could be the one. 3, 2. Get him in here quick. Before he comes off. Yes, I got him. I got him. Oh my gosh. Let's freaking check out this hook set here. Couldn't have been a more perfect hook set on a hard mouth like a gar. Bam! I don't know if it's because we're in the river, but these fish are some of the hardest fighting fish I've come into contact with this year. These green sunfish will fight. Just caught the cutest bass of my life. Heck yeah. Went for a swing. Woo. Wow. Bass, a carp, and now a tiny little bullhead. A chunky one. No! We got a fish taking out drag right now. Lost him again. Just caught the biggest bass of the day. Not big, but it's a creek fish. Technically the 5th species of the day. This is a black bullhead, and I caught it on a Ned rig. Can't believe. I think a great moral of the story today would be to not underestimate your creeks. Don't underestimate the creeks around your house, because you never know what could be in them. And I've never been here before. I pass by this place every single day to school, and I've caught 4 or 5 species today. And I mean, if you can see that spawn right there, I mean, there are fish teeming everywhere. This is a place I'm definitely going to come back to.